Talking to the camera could make you very rich. And there's lots of different ways to make money with this skill. And if you're watching this video and you're not yet making money online, or you're not making enough money online, then I'm going to show you why talking to the camera should be something that you need to prioritize right now. 1. Become a YouTuber. YouTube is not just a hobby. Starting a channel is one and the same as starting a business. You create videos with the intention to serve viewers and earn a profit from the ad revenue. The best way to create a YouTube channel that truly stands out from the sea of low-value content that is uploaded every day is by creating useful YouTube videos that people are actually searching for. And then show up by presenting that topic to the camera yourself. By showing your face and being yourself, you can grow a YouTube channel much quicker than a faceless YouTube channel, because people connect with other people. People subscribe to other people. You can escape competition through authenticity. So by showing your authentic self on camera, you will find that growing a successful, profitable YouTube channel becomes much, much easier. And with just a little research, you can see for yourself just how insanely profitable YouTube channels can be. So I don't need to tell you how massive this opportunity is for those of you willing to just turn the camera onto themselves. 2. Become a presenter for hire. Talking to the camera is a skill that a lot of people do not possess. Most of the time, people are too scared or self-conscious about how they look and sound. They lack the insider wisdom that us experienced video presenters apply to make talking to the camera seem easy. So, with remote video services only increasing in demand, businesses around the globe are turning to freelance video presenters or content creators to create valuable content for their businesses that helps them to attract more customers, train staff, and build brand awareness and authority in their niche. In just one weekend, you could set yourself up on freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn, and be selling video creation services to global clients this time next week. This is exactly how I went from $0 to well over $200,000 within just 2.5 years of starting this business. This is a business that you can start from home, as I did, and it has massive growth potential. I now have a team of editors and writers, and I've got a commercial studio premises outside of my home, and I work with some pretty reputable clients. You only need to go back through the videos on my YouTube channel here to see the progression of this business. And seriously, there aren't enough people like me offering this kind of service, so the opportunity is still very much hot. 3. Sell video courses. Knowledge is a commodity. For thousands of years, knowledge has been sold in written form. And now, in the 21st century, you can sell your knowledge in the form of video courses. Selling e-learning courses is an extremely profitable business for many reasons. Once you've created the video course, you can sell it over and over again to many people around the world. Once you've done the work, you don't have to do any more work. So this becomes real passive income. The course becomes a kind of digital asset that pays you money over time. And you can also charge a lot of money for the right courses. And if you're willing to put in a lot of work yourself, like writing, presenting, and editing the courses, then you'll find that the costs can be pretty damn low, or even no costs at all. But the profits will be insanely high. And why stop at one course? You can make multiple courses and sell them on different course platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and you can even make your own website where people buy the courses directly from you. And to tie in with the first couple of points from this video, you could be making YouTube videos to help promote your course by building up an audience there and giving away free snippets of knowledge, kind of like how I am right now, and then directing your audience to your paid course. And of course, then to tie into the point about becoming a freelance content creator for hire, like me, then you could be making e-learning courses for other businesses. You could charge them for the work up front, or you could negotiate a profit split. And 4, create videos for your own business. So if you already have a business, and it doesn't really matter what this is, you could be an accountant, interior designer, social media marketer, a jewelry maker, or even a dog walker, you can really grow your business if you just start putting yourself out there by making videos. If you want to get more traffic to your website or eShop, then one of the easiest ways to do that is by building an audience on social media sites like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, and then again, directing that audience to your site. If your business is providing a service, let's say graphic design for example, then make videos that demonstrate your skills and authority in the niche. So you could make videos teaching others how to do what you do, Again, kind of like what I'm doing here. You could make videos that help teach your potential clients understand the value of your services and why they need them. You could also make your own video advertisements for paid channels like Facebook ads or YouTube pre-roll ads to really help skyrocket your sales and conversions. And by having this skill yourself, you won't have to pay thousands of dollars to people like me to do it all for you. But I don't mind if you do though, because that's why I'm here to help. And of course, with all 4 of these points, you could be doing a mix of things. So you could be running your own YouTube channel and making e-learning courses at the same time for yourself, so that you're earning AdSense revenue and you're earning revenue from your courses. So you've got some real passive income going on there. But at the same time, you could also be making YouTube videos to help promote your business. You know, you could be a dropshipper, for example. Then your YouTube channel is a marketing channel for you to drive more traffic and customers to your dropshipping business, just as an example. And then of course, if you really want to tie it all in together and you're already, getting really good at making YouTube videos and presenting to the camera, then you could also be doing what I do on top and add a bit of freelance presenting in the mix as well, just for some additional income. Honestly, once you learn how to present topics to the camera and turn them into stunning videos, the opportunities are absolutely endless out there. And video is still king. So really, it's time to start learning this skill, it's time to start putting it into practice, and this might just be your way of becoming wealthy. So there we go, that was just a handful of ways that you could be making a lot of money just with this one simple skill of talking to the camera. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this skill, then you are in luck, because I have already released a couple of videos on this channel to help you get better at talking to the camera. I've also got a short course here for those of you interested in becoming a freelance video presenter like me, if you want to make content for businesses around the world. So be sure to check out that video next. Do subscribe to the channel and obviously give this video a like, because I'm going to be releasing more videos to help improve your skills as a video presenter, and I'm going to show you how to create better videos that help you achieve your business goals and earn the income of your dreams. Thanks again, guys. I've been Josh. See you in the next one.